Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how you can create bulk Google groups via CSV list in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. There are often times when the manager needs to create bulk Google groups in Google Workspace. Google Admin Console does not have this option. The one method Google has is to use coding, which is only for developers, so there should be an easy way. Foresight is a great tool that helps in getting this task without coding fast and efficiently. Moreover, it has a lot of other features. Let's see how Foresight creates bulk Google groups. Rule creation. First, we need a list of groups. So, here is a Google Sheet with 4 groups. We have 2 columns, email and name. We will download this file in CSV format. Now, follow these steps. Step 1. Log into Foresight with Google Admin account. Go to the Rule page and click the New Rule button. Step 2. Select the Data Upload trigger and upload the CSV file. Wait for the file to be parsed. Then click Next. Step 3. Select Create Group Action. Here first, you may need to grant permission to Foresight in the Google Workspace account. In the Group Email field, select Email, and in the Group Name field, select Name. If you don't see any options, please type opening double curly brackets to see the options. Click Review. Step 4. Enter the rule name and click Create. As you can see, the rule has been created, triggering the rule. Step 5. Now click on the upload icon and upload the same CSV file again. The process will take a few seconds. Verifying results. A notification will appear in the top right corner. Click on it and then click Show All to see the logs page. You can also go to the logs page from the left sidebar. As you can see, the rule is triggered successfully. And in the Google Admin Console, under Directory and then Groups, 4 groups have been created. So this is how handy this tool is for Google admins, which makes their routine work fast and efficient. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well.